Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by inspecting the Keypad phone physically and visually. Remove the battery and SIM card carefully. Wipe the SIM contacts with a dry cloth and reinsert the SIM. Ensure the SIM sits flat and aligned in the tray. Replace the battery and power the phone on slowly. Watch the top status line for carrier name and signal bars. If the phone still shows emergency only, record the exact error wording for the next steps. Open the settings menu and navigate to network or mobile options. Choose manual network selection and attempt to register with your carrier. If manual registration fails, perform a network settings reset to clear any corrupt entries. Use the phone keypad to access the service menu if available. Check the firmware version against the manufacturer release notes. If the firmware is old or corrupted, prepare to update or reflash using. After adjustments, test the phone with an emergency call and a normal call. Dial a known working number and confirm voice connects within a few rings. Check the phone shows carrier name and at least 2 signal bars. If calls still fail, document the IMEI number and any error messages you see. Contact the mobile carrier and provide the phone model, IMEI, and error details for network provisioning checks. If instructed, perform a carrier SIM swap and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.